So we're going to have a look at creating flashcards using Keynote. This can replace your word wall, which generally gets put into the student's book or up on the wall in the classroom. However, this can be anywhere, anytime. I'm using science as an example. Now I've got my word list here. Add as few or as many as you like. The kids can build as they go throughout the term. My first one is structural, and it's an adjective. I tap the page, it flips over. I have a definition and a sentence that I've added in myself, along with a picture that I've saved or found online. Next word, behavioural. Flip the page and I've got the same thing. What I'm going to show you is how I did that and how the students can do it. So basically I made a template out of 2 slides. I created that, put in all of my little fancy stuff like the dotted line, the text that I wanted to use, the font, and I also, if I tap, I can get these options. I added in my transitions. Now I've got a flip, and on this one here, I have a page flip. All I did, tapped, copied, and pasted. And I continued to do that as I went down with this one as well. And then I just build, and the students can build as they go. So let's show an example here. My next word in my word list is nocturnal. All I'm doing is just double tapping, using the information that I've learned from the lesson, and then I tap the next one. So my definition, students could either look that up themselves or write it down from what they've learned. As you can see, it's a little bit funky there, so I'm just going to edit it using the paintbrush at the top, bring it across left aligned, and make sure it fits in nicely. And then I'm going to type in my sentence. And there we are. Now the next step is to add a photo. I can click the plus button and it pops up with my camera roll. Now what I have done is I've sketched out this in Notes. I'm going to use the Edit Mask tool just so they can see all of my lovely drawing. Make it a little bit larger and fit it in. Let's have a bit of a preview. A great way for students to learn their words wherever they are. This could be used in spelling as well as other content areas. The Keynote can be airdropped to other students for consolidation or if a student is absent.